Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and enjoying fall colors and all set for Christmas. Today I am sharing a quick Christmas card which is super easy to make. I have used Puansetia stamp from Lesia Zgharda designs and already heat embossed it in gold. I have used Canson mixed media paper for my base and for coloring I have used Life of Color water brush pens. These are water based pens and super easy to use. You can see some more coloring with these pens here on my channel or my Instagram page. I have mentioned the link in description box. I'm not doing very perfect coloring, doing just a quick coloring for this quick card. This water brush comes with this pen and I have mentioned all the links of my supplies and its Amazon shop link in the description box of this video. I have colored one more flower already and going to fuzzy cut them. Now you enjoy all the process and I will catch you in a while. All the supplies are listed below in the description box. I hope you like it. Give it a try and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya!